Hello students, let's start with question number 2 of exercise 8.2. Question number 2, exercise 8.2 NCERT. Question number 1 is choose the correct option. First part is 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. Students, what is the value of tan 30? 2 into 1 by root 3 upon 1 plus tan square 30 degree. What is tan square 30? Tan 30 का whole square 1 by root 3 whole square equals to 2 by root 3 upon 1 plus. What is the square of 1? 1 and square of root 3 is 3. You will get 2 by root 3 upon 3 will be the LCM 3 plus 1. 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. Root 3 and root 3 get cancelled. 2 2s are 4. Root 3 by 2. Which option will be correct? Sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 or sin 30? What is 3 by 2? Root 3 by 2. Sin 60 degree is the value of root 3 by 2. Therefore, option A is the correct option. Let's do part 3. Question number 2, part 3. Sin 2a equals to 2 sin a. Options are given that sin 2a equals to 2 sin a when a is, we have 4 options, 0 degree, 30 degrees, 45 degrees or 60 degrees. Let's check all these values. Sin 2a, let a is 0 degree, then sin 2 into 0 equals to 2 into sin 0 degree. 2 into 0 is 0. What is the value of sin 0? 0 equals to 2 into sin 0. What is the value of sin 0? 0. 0 equals to 0. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Therefore, a equals to 0 degree is correct. Let's check other options also. Second is let a equals to 30 degree. Sin 2 into 30 degrees should be equals to 2 into sin 30 degrees. 2 into 30 sin 60 degree should be equals to 2 into sin 30 degrees. What is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2 equals to 2 into, what is sin 30? 1 by 2. So root 3 by 2 is not equals to 1. Therefore, this option is not correct. Next, pause the video and note it down. We will check other values also. C is 45 degree. Let A equals to 45 degrees. Sin 2 into 45 degrees should be equals to 2 into sin 45 degrees. Sin 90 degrees should be equals to 2 into sin 45 degrees. What is the value of sin 90? 1 equals to 2 into, what is sin 45? 1 by root 2. 1 is not equals to root 2. Therefore, this option is also not correct. Let A equals to 60 degrees. Sin 2 into 60 degrees equals to 2 times sin 60 degrees. Sin 120 degrees equals to 2 into sin 60. What will be the value of sin 120 degrees? Sin 120 degrees equals to sin 60 degrees. You will study about this in class 11. Sin 60, what is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2 equals to 2 into sin 60 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is not equals to root 3. Therefore, this option is not correct. So, our answer is 0 degree. A is the option. Pause the video and note it down. Let's do part 4. Question number 2, part 4. Find the value of 2 tan 30 degree upon 1 minus tan square 30 degrees. 4 options are given. First we are putting the values 2 into what is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3 upon 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. 2 by root 3 upon 1 minus 1 by 3. What will you get? 2 by root 3 upon LCM is 3. 3 minus 1. 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. What will you get? Root 3. What is the value of root 3? Check from option. Sin 60 is not root 3. Cos 60 is not root 3. But tan 60 is root 3. Therefore, option C, tan 60 degree is the answer. Got it? Note it down. Let's do question number 3. If it is a very important question, if tan A plus B equals to root 3 and tan A minus B equals to 1 by root 3 and it is given that A plus B is greater than 0 degrees and less than and equals to 90 degrees and A is greater than B, find the value of A and B. We have given tan A plus B equals to root 3. In case of tan, which angle is equals to root 3? Tan 60 degrees root 3. We can write it as tan A plus B. Root 3 can be written in the form of tan as tan 60 degree. Clear? Now we won't cut this tan and tan. We will equate these tans. Equating both the tans, we will get A plus B equals to 60 degrees. Take it as first equation. Clear? Now, tan A minus B equals to 1 by root 3. Tan A minus B, 1 upon root 3 can be written as tan 30 degrees. On equating both the tans, A minus B will be equals to 30 degrees. This is our equation number 2. On solving both the equations, what will we get? A plus B equals to 60 degrees. A minus B equals to 30 degrees. We are adding both the equations. A plus A, 2A. B is positive and negative, cancel them. Equals to 90 degrees. What is angle A? 90 by 2, 45 degrees. Put the value of angle A in equation 1. Angle A plus angle B equals to 60 degrees. Angle A is 45. What will be the value of angle B? Angle B will be 60 minus 45, 15 degrees. Angle A is 45, angle B is 15. Look, angle A is greater than angle B. Hope you understood this. We will do next topic in the next class. Thank you.